Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the new CrusherBuilt 3cx3000. As you can see, we've got the plate bolts idling at around 6,200, and as always we're going into the dummy load for testing purposes. Let's get right to it. Got the 1x4 BM Technology power supply, 1000 watt slug and forward, 5 watt and reflect on the input side. Ooh. So we're doing 400 bird in, 10,000 watt slug, and average power, 2,500 watt carrier. Hello. About 5,800 bird. Got a peak. 10,000 watt in the corner, and we'll put the 25,000 watt slug in. About 12,000 peak. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.